Feeling like your trusty old SEO map is leading you nowhere in the new world of AI search? Welcome to the AI Search Performance Report, your new compass for answer engine optimization. This is your command center for understanding how your brand shows up in platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI mode. Before we explore, let's define the building blocks of this report. In the AI world, we move from keywords to topics and prompts. A topic is a broad subject area you want to own, like eco-friendly mattresses. A prompt is the specific question a user types into an AI engine, like, what are the best brands for eco-friendly mattresses? We also need to understand who is searching and why. That's where personas and search intent come in. A persona gives context about your target audience. Are you targeting an apartment dweller or a suburban family? Search intent is the goal behind a prompt. Our AI classifies if a user is, for example, trying to make a purchase, get education, or make a comparison. All right, now for the fun part. Let's look at the key metrics on this page. First up, mentions and citations. A brand mention is when an AI engine name drops your brand. Think of it like being talked about at a party. It's great for awareness. And a website citation is when an AI engine links to your website as an authoritative source. That's not just being talked about. That's someone pointing to you and saying they're the expert. But knowing you were mentioned is only half the story. The next question is, how were you mentioned? Was it a high five or a facepalm? That's where sentiment comes in. This chart shows you the tone of your brand mentions, positive or negative, so you can understand your reputation at a glance. Let's put it all together. Meet AI curious Alicia. Her boss just asked her a big question. How are we really doing in these new AI tools? Alicia jumps into the report. Instantly, she sees it. Wow, brand mentions are high, but citations are low. And the sentiment? It's overwhelmingly positive. Alicia now has a data backstory she can tell her team.
Good news is, when AI engines talk about us, they're saying great things, but we're missing the opportunity to turn that positive sentiment into authoritative traffic because competitors and publishers are getting the citation.
That single layered insight is the starting point for their entire AI content strategy. And that's your first step. The AI Search Performance Report is your compass for navigating this new frontier. So what are you waiting for? Jump in and get a baseline of your own performance.